You want to learn to grow faster on Instagram? You came to the right place. Now, this isn't clickbait. I will actually show you how to get 25,000 followers in about a month. Here are my results. Now, I've been working on my account for about 4 months. In the past 2, maybe 1 month, I've figured out how to really make it just blow off. Like, that shit's been crazy. I got like 10,000 followers last week alone. I guess the first most crucial thing, before I even forget, would be your mindset. Now, like, I say this and some people are like, oh, you're one of those mindset guys. But like, bro, some of your mindset is so fucked that like you don't know the importance of mindset. If you look at all the greats in history, they all had a winning mindset. They all knew they would win. They all understand what it took to get there, and that if they put in the right work, they would get the right results. So just know that will happen. If you believe it, if you act it, it will happen. I mean, I did it. I had 0 Instagram experience. I'm not special. Now, the first step, it has to be the setup phase. Before you get an audience, you need a page, you need to set it up. You need something to look at. No one's gonna just wanna follow you out of the niceness of them. That wasn't really English, but shit, you know what I mean. No one's gonna just follow you. Like, they're all people, they all need something. So you wanna set up your page, just keep posting like maybe white background or something, whatever your niche is in. Keep posting that, keep posting. Just set up your page to look clean and nice. And don't just post anything, post shit you actually like and shit you think people will actually like. Now, one of the ways to find posts like these is to create a content bubble. Now, you find your niche, whatever you're passionate or good in, whatever you have a good eye for, whatever you know the special jargon around, that's something you should go into because you could really provide value there. So when you find your niche, you create a little bubble, you follow people in that niche, and you start to see around what posts do well, what posts do shit. You start to see like, oh, all 4 of these pages post the same picture. It's popping off. And then you'll be like, oh, that's a relevant post. So when you get into that whole process, you start to figure what's nice, what's not, and you just want to post. Now, the first maybe a few weeks, for me it was like first few days, I would post like 9 a day just to get shit on my page, just to get it looking nice. And that's step 1, because like no one's gonna check you out if you don't got shit to check. I guess the next step, like this also has to do is positioning yourself, but you just have to know like the trends in your niche. And then you go trend jacking and you re-upload that. Like I said, you want to find things that are relevant, that resonate with your audience, shit that's viral, shit that's trending. And this is all stuff that will get good attention to your page. And if you're like a content creator, what I do, I re-upload content and I tag the creators. I always give credit. But if you're a creator, then you find like what kind of trends are happening on TikTok, this and that. And you want to recreate it yourself. You want to make it interesting, and then you'll see you'll get the views. And like, bro, people say the algorithm doesn't favor me, but that's because when you're like under 1,000, under 5,000 followers, why should they? Like, people have other pages to click on, and they could just click off your page. It's kind of a risk to Instagram. So you got to show Instagram like you're worth it. So after you like get your page set up, you want to make sure you got the profile picture, maybe a logo, get the bio right. Bio, I always put like emojis, like here's an example. And the reason that catches people's eye, it's appealing, it looks clean, looks kind of professional. So now what? You got your whole profile set up, you got the pics, you got the 50 posts rolling. Well, then you're ready to grow. You really are. You just gotta put in the work now. And I guess to do that, you'll have to wait for episode 2. If you watch this, I really hope you got something out of it. I hope you appreciate it. This is just a setup phase. I will be posting more videos. I want to like post a whole series, how I grew to 30K 3 months. Some people do it in a year. I did it in 3 months. And I know you guys can too. You guys could probably do it in like 1 or 2 months, since I'm literally letting you skip the line. I'm giving you my methods. But I hope that helped with your phase 1. If you're just beginning, bro, like get out there, set up your page. You might be scared no one's gonna click it, but just do it. Just start. That's the most important thing, is that you just start, you get it done. Once you start doing more, you start learning. That's how you get that snowballing effect, which is exactly what I did this week. Here, I'll show it again. That was like 1.5K followers in just 1 day. Now, if you follow these steps, I guarantee if you stay consistent with it, I guarantee you could grow your page to past 100K. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. You gotta believe in yourself. Know it will happen. I know it could happen. I believe in you. So just do it, put in the work, stay consistent. Y'all got this. If you watched, I really appreciate you. Check out my channel for more. Drop a comment, let me know, any criticism, what I should change in my videos. Everything helps, but thanks again, guys. Peace.